Well, it's parted. Told you that it will be quick and fun. Well, my kids are looking very, 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 very fine. Like usual. In their active forms. Yay, Daddy! I can see you and Mommy! I can see you both! Me too! Hi kids, are you enjoying with your friends? We are having a great time with our friends. Don't ask how much great. It's 15,000 infinity great time. Well, looks like they are very much enjoying. Yeah, it's good for them and good for us too. We are happy you are enjoying. Thanks, Mommy. We will live till tomorrow. And we will come at night. It will be so awesome to live with my best friends Pingu and Pinga. Yup, you're correct, little brother. They don't even know how to say correctly. See? Get it? Correctly. Well, looks like we have to look at the egg. Make sure it's fine and healthy. Got it out carefully so it doesn't roll away, and it's a little shaking. Well, opening in 3. We can see from here from the flashlight. Flashlight on. I forgot about the flashlight. There it is. Yup, it's definitely in there. Flashlight, turn off. Good. Our flashlight is working perfectly. It was not charged yesterday, so it was not working. Well, let's send it to incubator. We have to save our eggs first. Only if there's one egg. Let me get this straight. We have to protect our egg. Right, green parrot? Yeah. Send it in, pink parrot. Lot of confusion. You guys are so funny. We got everybody laughing at our neighbor's only house. Everybody's doing something else. They're all minding their own business. So let's go inside. I almost forgot about the egg. Let's keep it inside first and then let's go. Wait for me, pink parrot. Don't leave your green parrot behind. Now we are in shelter. So nice. As talking, they always fall asleep like that. Well, let's go. Wait. I'm going in. Tight squeeze. But forget about the tight squeezes that we are facing. Think about the thunderstorm. The big thunderstorm that we are facing every single day of 3 months. But 3 months of puddles is awesome! Yeah. It's awesome for you, not for me. Disgusting. When I ever see mud on my face again, I vomit a lot. Don't ask how much, guys. I love puddle season. Me too! Well, let's go inside to take shelter from the thunderstorm. Then only we will be active and play together in one flock. One tiny baby flock. Yeah, baby birds only. Yeah, it's great for you. Get it, baby flock? Enough laughing. Let's go already. Yep. You all the kids will go into the first floor and I will be in the ground floor because in here is my bedroom So let me stay here. Woohoo! Yay! Looks like the kids are enjoying even when it's thunderstorming. We are in. How about you others? Not us, we are still out. Let me go in. Ow, ow, ow. I'm bouncing every time I talk. Ha 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 ha. I got everybody laughing. Okay, well, stop! The leader. He was angry. The leader is going mad, man. Yeah, he's mad. There's nothing to worry about, leader. Oh yeah, silly me. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, enough funny stuff. Let's go in. Let me go. Oh, why am I here? Anyways, forget about that. Never mind. Let's go in. Ooh, I'm in Bolly's house. Like yesterday. Everything is like yesterday today. Well, anyways, never mind. Let's go. Ooh, looks like somebody's still excited today also. Yeah, yoo-hoo! My leg is feeling better, more better than yesterday. I could really use some walking here. But anyways, go in! Oh, ow. At least I'm okay. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Today everybody is laughing a lot. Today I will call Laughing Day. Yeah, Laughing Day. Great name for this day. It's Sunday today. Yeah, I know that already. I saw in my, what's it called? I forgot. Yeah, calendar. I saw it in my calendar. Beside my baby, father coming in. Okay, father. I'm already inside. All packed and all set to go. Let me go into my house. There. Ooh, you guys are snuggling. Let me join. Okay. Snuggle parties. Great name. Snuggle parties going on here. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go in. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Bumpy trip. I'm already inside. Me too. Looks like everybody is all ready for the thunderstorm. So, the thunderstorm is coming in 3, 2, and it's here. Let's go out to play. Yeah. But no! All the kids are outside. Let me call Mother Penguin. I have to go quick and save the kids in time. Quick! What? Mother Penguin, why are you in a hurry? Oh, forget about that. Well, can I come? Yeah, you can. Yay! Party. Thunderstorm party. Mother Penguin, what happened, Mother Parrot? All the kids are outside playing. I think you forgot to shut the door again. Now quick, back to the house. Phew, saved. Oh, my tail is still sticking out. But the kids are outside. Let me check. What? Yeah, really? Green Parrot was correct. Well, kids, go inside. You'll catch a cold. No cold will come. The skulls are scared of us. Yeah, we are too tough. They will never be able to enter our... what did I just do? I think it was just a burp. Yeah. Oh, I also have. Me too. No. I have to take care of a lot of kids and quick. There are 4 kids. Oh no. How will I do this? Oh no. You. They've all got cold. Well, how lucky I am. It's not really I am lucky. I'm very tired. Welcome inside, kids. We're in my room. I have some medicine for you. I have a brain freeze. Oh no, he got a brain freeze. Let's put him in. I will carry him. What's happened, little bro? Nothing, little sis. I mean, big sis. Big bro. Let's go and slide. Yeah. If only we can go in there. It's me too. All the kids are inside. Go quickly. Now run! Just in time. Just have to squeeze a little. There. Yeah. Now, just need to figure out which medicine. Nebulizers. These will keep you comfy and comfortable and non-cough. Okay, I have got all 4. So it's ready to go. Which medicine do we need? Quick question. Yeah. Quick question. Yeah. Let me see. What I have. Duolin, Budacort, Budacort. Let me ask the doctor. Hello? Yeah? My 4 kids are ill. What should I give them? Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, so we need Duolin. Here's your nebulizer and switch on. And your Blue Jay. I will pass it. I will pass it to my big sister. Queen Chance and the I will anything for my big sister because she's a part of my family. Okay, just make it fast. Okay, here you go. Yes. Okay, sit on it. See? Okay. I got it. I brought it to you, little sis. Okay. Eat. Well, With that done, I'm going to nothing to only rain of that. Let's do that. Hope the kids are okay. Done! I'm better! Yay! Ooh, a big gigantic puddle, more bigger than yesterday's puddle. Let's jump in it! Yeah! Let's do it. Let me turn around. There. I'm not balanced. My legs are not balancing. See what I'm talking about? Let me come outside. The tight squeeze. You're shooting the whole house. Finally out. What's this gigantic stick doing here? Well, that's gone. Oh, the kids are already gone. Yeah, they're just in the yesterday's. Oh yeah, I forgot again, they do that. I don't know why, because I think they did so. Let me get out the incubator like yesterday. Aha, I see it. Let me pull gently. Yes, no. No. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, I almost lose it. I think we got it. Let's see. Flashlight on. You can see so many things. I don't see it. What? Not here at all. Oh, I see it now. Flashlight off. Almost got it. Yes. I think we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yep, it's definitely in there. Anyways, it's like a clumsy video. You'd think, guys, but it's not really a clumsy video. It's coming along perfectly as we planned. If you want to see clumsy and funny videos and very funny videos, watch our videos. Funny videos part 1. Watch that. And that after all the rain, all the birds chirping, all the thunderstorms, we will do some funny stuff. If you want to see that, like and subscribe, hit the bell, guys. I'm sure it will be in the same day as today. Hoopla! I'm calling out my best friend Chicky. Chicky! Oh, that sounds like my best friend Pink Parrot. Pink Parrot! Oh, there you are. What do you want? It's raining, remember? Oh yeah, it's raining. Where's Mother Penguin? Whoosh. What? Oh yeah. Tomorrow is Pingu's birthday. I know that. Yeah, I already know that. Yeah, I know that because he's my big bro. Yeah, I already know because it's my birthday, coming up tomorrow. Well, I will say from today, happy birthday, Pingu! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy Happy birthday, my dear kid. Thanks, everybody. You're the best birds I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, thanks. Let's come out. Oh. But, oh, of course, I'm above. That's why I was wondering, where's no bird? What is the twin? They threw a stick. It's not a stick. It's a back scratcher. Oh, I was looking for this. It was my back scratcher. Back scratcher. Let's keep this in my house. Okay, back scratcher. Let's get you in my house. Okay, I got it in my house. Now time to... Oh, Welly's with his favorite back scratcher. I know that already because he's my friend. He already told me. You come. Man. God. Ooh. Ooh. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. That really hurting. You see my eyes are coming. Phew. They are not gone. Thanks God. My favorite God, Ganesha. He saved my life from being one-eyed. Yeah, I'm already coming. Oops, my head is still down. Let me keep it up somehow. Yeah. I must be... Yeah. I see myself. Come out. And who will live in this house? Right over here. When the other birds will move here, they will. Yeah, he's correct. Anyways, let's just think about the future. What will happen next? Yeah! Good idea. Very good idea. But like the best idea I've ever heard. Yep. Let me get out. Ow, my house. It's all like yesterday. Oh, my wing, my toucan wings are blocking in the way. There we go. Let's come out, guys. It was snuggling in there, but let's come out. I'll come through the roof. I mean the roof. Ooh, the birds took a break. Like ducky. I flied and come. I used my wings a little bit. Let me come out. Ooh, can anybody help me? Please? This time? I think I cannot come out. Ooh. Yeah, today also. Let me come out through the roof as well. That's kind of my style. Help! It goes like tomorrow. I mean yesterday. Help! Let me keep you down. Oh, thanks, yellow parrot. Welcome, ducky. Let's practice our dance moves. Okay, son? Not again. Okay. There it is. He's just in that room right over there. Right over the main room. Okay. Come on, kid. So boring. Anyway, we have to do what Father said. Wait. Yeah, almost done. Let me show you how to do. First do like this. Then do like this. And then shake, shake, shake. Wait, now let's try that again. Okay, so going. Let's do like this, yeah, and then like this. You, yeah, like that. Well, they are learning. Let's go. Hoopla! I'm up. Help, help! Oh no, I have to catch him now. You're too heavy. Oh, ow, that knocked me off. Your weight is so heavy. Did you ever check your weight? Yeah, I did. One day before. In the part 5. Oh, okay, I see. Blah, blah, blah. Let's come out. Ooh, the bush full of thorns. I forgot it's there. Well, how do you say we will walk again like yesterday? Yesterday. Cool. You're still struggling like yesterday. I see. Yeah. It's pretty hard to move around like this, one without legs. Well, he's gone. Let's go from here. Ooh, my kid has to cross it. Like, wah. And here. What about you, Chicky? You'll do this every single thunderstorm day. Hold on for me, buddy. Right behind your tail. Drink some water. Go. Thanks, buddy. You just saved me in time. You're welcome. Yeah. Thanks, yeah. Well, the bush full of thorns is still there. And let me search another touch-me-not. So, yesterday's was very successful. Now let me find another one. Oh, there's another touch-me-not dry leaf and another one. Oh, they keep coming out of nowhere. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ow. Wow. Well, speaking of nowhere, the rain just ended out of nowhere and no drop is falling from the sky. It's all dry. Come on, kids. Let's get washed. Okay, Mother Penguin. Oh, wait for me. You don't have to be in a hurry with the bird boy who I forgot to come out. I'm in the final part. I'm come out in the final part. Let's go. I see. They are really enjoying their lifetime. Hey, Orange. What, Mommy? I love these days. Oh, I'm glad you love them. Gotcha. I mean, got me. See you later, Mommy. a good time bathing. Yeah, we will, Mommy. Thanks for all the luck. You're welcome. Okay. Today is a little less. Today is only 30 minutes video. So, looks like time to end the video, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, let me say that again. Yeah, as I was saying, I will see you tomorrow in part 9. I'm sure it will be quick, and I will see you tomorrow at part 9. I'm sure it will be quick, and I'm sure it will be a lot of fun. More fun than you think of. Okay? This is Green Parrot zooming out. Bye guys! See you tomorrow, and I'm sure it will be quick. No worries about that. Don't worry about that. We got it all in control. Okay, bye guys! Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more.